So I'm the Cancer Research UK Senior Nurse in Birmingham, and I sit with the ECMC Nurses Steering Group Committee. I also lead a team of nurses in early phase work with oncology and haematology phase trials. Clinical trials are really our best weapon in beating cancer, so we need to advance our knowledge in new treatments. We need to work together to really question and push forward the fact that we have great treatments, we're making things personalised, we're making it very much about the patient, but also we need to be kinder, we need to be cleverer with our treatments and only give the patient the right treatment for them.
So my job there is as pharmacist, clinical trials, everything in relation to the IMPs, accountability, storage, dispensing, checking and preparation. We are involved in that, and that's my mainly job. Clinical trials is a very important tool in the research. Without these tools, we are not in a safe position to develop this kind of new drugs or new treatments, because these clinical trials always are prioritizing the safety, health and rights of the patients.
My particular role on a daily basis would be to oversee the management setup of the clinical trials portfolio from concept through to the delivery in the clinical setting. We can't underestimate the importance of clinical trials for the patient population in Northern Ireland and throughout the UK. We have the ability to introduce novel agents at an early stage that may or may not obviously help the individual patient, but certainly will help deliver future developments in the research of cancer.
As a patient, I was diagnosed with lung cancer, told there was no treatment that would have any effect on my lung cancer, and given a very short life expectancy. I was asked if I'd be interested in taking part in an early phase clinical trial, and I said yes, certainly, of course. I'm a co-applicant, collaborator, advisor on numerous clinical trial proposals and protocols. If we wish to improve treatments, reduce side effects, extend life expectancies, improve the quality of life, then the way to do it is through clinical trials.
I work as a project officer for Wales Cancer Research Centre, and part of my role is to facilitate collaboration with phase 1 trials in solid tumour at Velindre Cancer Centre, radiotherapy trials at Velindre Cancer Centre and phase 1 haematology trials at the University Hospital of Wales. We're all working for the same thing, which is to be able to help patients, cancer patients, to have access to new treatments, to offer them a better quality of life.
I would suggest that ECMCs are more than supporting clinical trials. They're at the heart of many of them.
In the UK, ECMC funding obviously allows us to put in place the infrastructure to support the development of future research into cancer.
So the ECMC has helped, in Cardiff in particular, expand the portfolio, especially in new areas such as phase 1 trials in solid tumour and radiotherapy combination, along with haematology trials outside of AML diagnosis.
And because of the leaderships of these networks and all the knowledge of the people involved, is a great tool to be at the front of these therapies.
And the ECMC network is vital in the way it brings us together, it shares our knowledge. You're stronger when you're working together, and what I've seen over the years is we've gone from working very independently to knowing we can get in touch with other centres, other networks. So the fact that we're developing now is testimony to the ECMC, the way we've worked, and over the last 10-15 years has been amazing, and it is so exciting to be part of it really.